Welcome back, guys. Today is going to be a little bit of a non-traditional kind of video. We just got back from the gym, so we're gonna literally make a 10-minute meal right here, raw, unedited, unless we curse. I'll probably edit that out.
That might be edited.
That might be the edited part.
Okay, go ahead.
All right, so let's get the timer going. And today we're gonna be making a power bowl. I'll insert a picture here. Wow, very nice. Okay. Ready? 10 minutes on the clock. Go.
All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to put rice to boil. So we have an oven over here, and I have a 1 serving of rice ready to boil.
All right, and I'm taking my potatoes here, these little baby potatoes, as you can see, and I'm just going to give them a good wash. I actually don't think I want that many, so I'm going to take some of them out.
And I got about 8 ounces of chicken. I'm going to cut up here. Before I cut it up, though, I'm going to season it with some Cajun. And what else am I seasoning with it? Cajun and cumin. There we go. And then shout out to
my mom. Yeah. She got us these really cool knives. They're so good. They're so sharp. I already cut my finger.
Yeah, but it's
just
all
washing it.
That was the unedited part. Or that was the edited part. Whatever. You're in my way. Race against time, you know?
All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and chop these right in half.
And guys, mind you, we just came back from the gym, so this is like a perfect post-workout meal.
Yeah.
You're lazy, you don't really feel like cooking much. This doesn't have a lot of steps. You didn't give me curry powder, said cumin.
Oh, I made a
sabotage.
I made a mistake. I may have read that wrong.
Cumin.
For the past few weeks, every time I've been cooking, the paprika and cayenne pepper are in the same exact containers. So I've been mixing them up and putting cayenne pepper, so it turns out they are spicy.
And guys, mind you...
So everything we've eaten has been doused with like spicy cayenne pepper. There was some whatever left.
There was?
Yeah.
Mind you, this is completely unsanitary. I'm pretty sure I just put chicken juice all up in our cumin. But hey, that's part of the thrill, right?
So if you're going to be that gross, don't do a 10-minute meal.
10 minutes. 10 minutes to have a very perfect sanitary meal.
All right, and I'm cutting these in half, obviously.
Wow, this is the sharpest knife I've ever worked with in my life.
It is honestly so freaking sharp. That's what I told you. I cut
honestly,
myself.
The chicken is just...
Listen, it was a whole thing. I cut myself, and the guy over here was not taking it seriously because I wasn't bleeding immediately.
I don't know. This chicken is... This chicken is literally intimidated. I'm not even cutting it. I'm just like showing it the knife, and it's just splitting in half.
All right, so...
Oh my god, I'm bleeding.
What the hell did you do?
I cut myself.
Okay, we're definitely gonna edit this. Hey, we're still keeping up with the timer. 7 minutes on the clock. All right, so I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna put some avocado oil, about a tablespoon, and then I'm gonna go in with my. Are you okay? He's putting on a Band-Aid as we speak. Going in with some salt, some garlic powder. Good. See, cayenne pepper. This is cayenne. I'm aware this time. So just a little bit of that. And you can leave this out if you don't like spice. And then pepper. I don't remember if I did that, but I'm going to do it again.
All right. Thank you for carrying the show on yourself.
You're very welcome.
All
right, so we're just going to mix this up. And I'm going to go throw it on a pan and throw it in the oven, 450 degrees. Ah, shit.
All right, so here I'm chopping the chicken. Mind you, that part that I got blood on it, I kept it out just for our sake so we don't die. All right, so the chicken is chopped.
So shout out to my mom for sabotaging our 10-minute meal.
Yeah, it's all right. It's all right. It happens.
All right, did you tell them that we have rice on the thing?
Yeah, I told them right in the beginning.
Okay, awesome. All right, so now while you're cooking up that, I'm going to start on our, we have like a corn pico de gallo, what would you call it? Like a corn chili?
Corn salsa, I guess.
Yeah, there you go. Corn salsa, that's a good one. All right, so we're just going to hurry up and quickly get this going.
All right, so...
Oh, these knives are impeccable.
I know, dude.
Maybe you got to be careful what you wish for. We asked for better knives, but jeez.
These are
need?
The best knife. I just need oil in the pan so while it heats up.
Do you need any salt?
Yeah.
I'll put the salt near you just in case. Maybe some pepper. Sounds like things you'd need.
All
right.
Some salt and pepper for the chicken. All right. So raw and edited. You see all the mistakes. You see all the fingers being cut off. You know, it's part of the fun. You know,
Alright,
one
looks
thing
good.
that might sabotage our 10 minutes is this little burner thing.
Oh yeah, that's true. Just put it on the regular cooker because I'm not trying to go down like that.
Well, if we fail, we fail.
No, failure is not allowed.
Alright, it's gonna go on the regular burner.
Yeah, because that's gonna take way too long. Alright, so we got our tomato. Good.
Alright, guys, chicken's going on the regular burner.
Alright, we gotta get our
Ignore this,
cashews. We're gonna put cashews, about 60 grams of cashews, in hot boiling water just to let them kind of soak and get soft because we're gonna use them as part of our.
And what we're doing with the cashews is we're making like a cashew kind of cream.
Like a cream
to go on
sauce
top.
to
It's
drizzle on
super
top.
good. You guys are gonna enjoy it, trust me. Or don't trust me, but trust me on this one. If anything I'm certain about is you guys will enjoy this cream.
I'm pretty certain of it too.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna chop up some onion.
Perfect. While you do that, I will drain your corn.
Thank you.
Might as well do something that's, safe.
What time? So we're at 3 minutes. I don't know. I don't think we can do it.
We have 3 minutes left?
Yeah.
Oh, there's no fucking way. There's literally no way. The potatoes are getting...
No, my potatoes are
Change
fine.
the plan. 15-minute dinner.
We're gonna add 15 minutes on this. Okay. I'm feeling positive about this.
Yeah, same here. What do we got?
All right. Watch out.
2 minutes. All right.
You gotta get your chicken on the thing.
It is. It's on
All right.
the
Throw the corn right in there. Looks good. All right. All right, we got our
Chicken
cilantro.
sizzling on high heat.
I'm just gonna, you know what, I'm gonna leave some cilantro for you. So we got a good bunch there, of cilantro. Now we both have band-aids.
Okay,
Alright.
chocolate cilantro. Be careful. Be so careful.
I am. Don't say that because it'll jinx me.
Okay, no jinxing.
Clearly I won't be able to stir a single thing in this bowl.
We have overcompensated every aspect of the recipe because we were so confident we'd get it done in 10 minutes,
Alright.
and we failed miserably.
No, hey, stop that.
We didn't
We
fail
don't talk
miserably.
like that.
We don't talk like that.
Alright, we're going in with half a lemon.
Half a lemon. Okay, I don't have time for these cashews to sit because we're on the race here.
You know what?
Drain them.
Screw it. I'm gonna go with a whole lemon.
Oh, we need the other one. We need the other one.
Don't worry, I'll give you another one. Alright.
Chicken burner.
Alright. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in here because how else am I supposed to mix it? We have to know better than to think we weren't gonna curse in this, especially with all the.
I know. Alright. Cashews are drained, doesn't matter how well they're drained or not.
Alright, make sure you salt and pepper this.
Okay. Now we're going to get into our blender. So, okay. There's our cashews.
You need a garlic.
1 garlic, 1 jalapeno. If you don't want jalapeno, if you don't want it to be spicy, you can just leave that out. And then you put in cilantro. And then we need, it's about 75 milliliters of organic chicken. Ah, damn it, I knew it.
Alright, we need about 5 more minutes, just to be fair, because he cut his finger. Have some mercy in your heart.
Please.
Alright, we're putting on another 5 minutes. Here we go. So, 15-minute meal. Alright, we salt and peppered. I'm dropping corn everywhere. Alright, this looks great. This is exactly what we want. Let me give it a try. Mmm.
Oh, good. No, can you give me that lemon?
Mm-hmm. Take it easy. We have 5 minutes.
Oh, no.
These are impeccable knives. Here, let's tell you what brand they are. J.A. Henkel's International.
Shout out to Henkel's. That's my man.
Ah! What the hell is going on? I swear we're not burning anything.
Alright, chicken is
Chicken's
done.
ready. This is ready.
Alright, now we gotta blender cheese.
Alright, let's do it. The blender top is here. We definitely made a mess, I'll tell you that.
That's all part of the process. Cooking
Alright.
isn't clean.
Alright, let's go. Did you salt and pepper this, babe?
No, I didn't.
Alright, we got a salt and pepper.
Alright, if you guys want to see, the chicken is all cooked.
Looks great. Alright, so we're gonna add just a little bit of salt. Put some pepper. Great. This is dangerous. We're living life on the edge today. Alright.
Perfect. To be honest, guys, I think I sweated more during this than I did my workout.
Alright, we good?
Yeah.
Or we gotta check on the potatoes. Hold on. Let's see how these guys are doing.
Alright, guys, I hope you're keeping up with this. As you can see, easy peasy, no mistakes so far. We've been going through it. We have about
How much time?
2 minutes and 30 seconds left on the clock. Plenty of time.
Mm-hmm. Just gonna.
She's checking on the potatoes. I have no worries about her burning off her eyebrows or anything like that. She's been doing it for quite some time. Don't you guys worry. We like to just act in our videos. I don't know if you guys noticed. We tend to just over-exaggerate. And, this was a lot easier as it seems. The house is smoky, but that's okay. That's part of the process. How are they doing over there?
I figured I would try it, but that was a really stupid idea.
So they're almost done. That's what I've heard.
To be honest, in order for them to be done in 2 more minutes, it would have to be on 1,000 degrees.
Safe to say we'll scrap the shit out of this video. And maybe let's stick to 10-minute videos to the shit that we know actually takes 10 minutes.
We're definitely posting this shit.
You think so?
Oh yeah.
It was pretty insane.
How did the fire alarm?